Musen MG 4.1 semi-automatic block and paving stone making machine.
Mussan Group constantly offers innovative and high-quality products to maintain a leading position in the construction sector. Specializing in block and paving stone machines, Mussan Machine provides reliable, efficient, and durable solutions to its customers. Mussan Machine's block machine series revolutionizes the production of construction materials. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, these machines combine raw materials such as sand, gravel, cement, water, and other components to produce high-density and durable blocks. Mussan block machines provide easy operation with energy-saving automatic processing systems. Additionally, the flexibility to produce blocks in different sizes and shapes allows customers to benefit from a wide range of products manufactured within Mussan Group using high-quality raw materials from leading companies. These machines are investor-friendly. Mussan Machine blends the expertise of specialized personnel, superior craftsmanship, and the use of premium-grade raw materials to manufacture efficient machines that operate at full capacity for extended periods, with its material quality and user-friendly features. Mussan Group has gained increasing recognition as a preferred choice for auxiliary equipment in small businesses and low population areas. The MG 4.1 model, with its low energy consumption, low investment cost, and high return on investment, has become a rising preference worldwide. A Mussan semi-automatic block and paving stone machine facility consists of a minimum setup of a mixer, conveyor belt, and the product trolley. Depending on the requirements, a bunker and cement silo can be added to the facility. Our machines, designed to meet globally accepted standards in terms of design and durability, are rapidly climbing the ranks among preferred tools in the industry. The MG 4.1 semi-automatic system is designed to produce 4 pieces of 20 cm blocks in a single press, resulting in 4,000 pieces of 20 cm blocks during an A-tour production process. Our machines, controlled by hydraulic arms and pistons, allow easy and smooth production across a wide range with minimal personnel.
Manufacturing Progress MG 4.1 semi-automatic blocking machines.
The bunker is conventionally filled using tractors or manual methods. A more innovative approach involves designing and installing the bunker underground. This underground bunker design offers several advantages. It optimizes space utilization by freeing up valuable surface area in construction sites. It enhances the overall aesthetics of the site by keeping the bunker hidden from view. It improves safety by protecting the stored materials from external elements. Adopting underground bunkers in block-making machines presents numerous benefits in terms of space optimization, aesthetics, safety, temperature control, and operational efficiency. The pallet input and product output are facilitated by specially designed hand trolleys. The products coming out of the machine are placed on drying areas using these custom-made hand trolleys. By changing the mold, you can produce different sizes and quantities. Mussan Machine offers a specially designed machine series for aesthetic and durable paving stone production. These paving stone machines have the capacity to produce high-quality paving stones enriched with various patterns and colors. These machines stand out with their high efficiency and precise production features. Mussan paving stone machines also provide efficient operation with user-friendly interface and automatic processing capabilities. At Mussan Machine, we always prioritize customer satisfaction and quality. We take pride in offering innovative solutions to customers who seek a competitive advantage and process optimization in the construction sector. We continuously conduct research and development activities to provide our customers with durable, efficient, and high-performance machines. Ease your work and take your construction projects to the next level with Mussan Machine's block and paving stone machines. Contact us today to experience quality and reliability and benefit from our customer-oriented service.